Hey, welcome to the podcast Between Two Cabins. I'm Jim Butler, your host. I want to come at you today with a little trick for backpacking when you're in the backcountry and you're trying to prepare your meals and you don't have no place to set your food or anything. Get you one of these very thin plastic cutting boards. They're very lightweight. You can lay it down on the ground, a rock, a log. You can cut your food, just take some wipes and wipe it off when you're done so you don't get any germs on it. They're very lightweight. It'll slide down in your backpack and you probably won't even know what's in there. But it's a great place to prepare your food if you don't have any other place to do it. And just make sure you clean it real good when you're done so you don't get a lot of germs and stuff that can make you sick. But like I said, you can get these anywhere. You can probably get them at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon. Like I said, they're very thin, lightweight, and they even got a hole right here where you can probably put a carabiner hanging on your pack if you want to. So get you one of these cutting boards, and it will make your meals a lot easier to prepare in the backcountry. Thanks. We love you. Keep the faith. Keep hiking. God bless. See ya.